So this is my vise. I just picked this up tonight. I've been looking for a larger vise and I found this on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. It's not Chinese, it's not new. It's a Simplex utility number 500. That means it's got 5-inch jaws and it's big enough. So what I'm going to do with this is start by just tearing it all down and stripping all the paint off, cleaning everything, and just painting it, getting it lubed up and put all back together. And then I think this is a mess right now, but I think I'm going to mount it over here somewhere on this bench. So for comparison, here it is next to my Wilton 3.5-inch jaw vise. It's quite a bit larger, so I think this is going to do nicely. So now that we're done cleaning this up, let's get a closer look at this vise. There are lots of dents and divots. This thing has been beat on. It's lived a hard life. I was actually thinking about filing some of this stuff down and cleaning it up. Just look at the anvil on this thing, how deeply pocked it is and beat up. Now this thing is going to end up being painted, and it's not going on a shelf. It's a working vise. So I'm inclined to just tape it off and go ahead and paint it up the way it stands, because this thing is going right back to work. And I think every one of these divots has a story to tell. So I think we'll just paint it as is. That first coat of paint that I put on was actually primer. It's an oxide Rust-Oleum, so it'll both neutralize the rust and give me a good base for putting my color down. Now this vise was originally red, and as I was stripping the paint off I could see that. And while originality is nice, it's just not the color I want to use. I'm going to go with a nice Oliver green.